written M00 code. So let's see whether machine stops or not with M00 code. See, it's working. So M00 is for program stop. Our learn these M codes with the help of video.
Our next topic is M codes. So what is M code? So M code is machine code. That means these codes are related to machine parts. That means if we want to on the coolant, then we use M08 code. If we want to rotate spindle, then we use M03 code. That means these codes are related to machine parts. And you will get these codes written on your CNC machine as well. So here I have listed M codes. M00 is program stop. To stop program, we use M00 code. M01 code is optional stop. This code we have already seen in control panel. There we turn on optional stop key along with M01 code. M03 is clockwise spindle rotation. If we want to rotate spindle clockwise, then we use M03 code. For anti-clockwise spindle rotation, use M04 code. M05 is used to stop spindle. M06 is used to change the tool. We use this code in our old CNC machine, but in new CNC machine, there is no need to write this code to change the tool. We can directly change the tool in new CNC machine. M07 is for high pressure coolant on. To use coolant with high pressure, we use M07 code. And M08 is used for normal pressure coolant. It don't have that much pressure. M09 is for coolant off. M10 for chuck clamp. If there is any need to clamp chuck automatically by machine, then use M10 code. And M11 for chuck unclamp. M19 is spindle rotation off. This code we have used in jaw removal process. At that time, we lock the spindle and then remove jaws. So at that time, we use M19 code. M30 is end of program. So program ends when you give M30 code. That means CNC machine will understand that program is ended here after looking at M30 code. M98 is subprogram call. Small programs that will repeat in your main program are written separately. And to add that small programs in your main program, we use M98 code. And to cancel that small programs, we use M99 code. This M98 and M99 code are not used that much in CNC turning. This mostly used in VMC machine. Because in VMC, some process repeats continuously. At that time, we use that small part of program separately and then add that small part of program in main program with the help of M98 code. But in CNC machine, we have cycles for that repeating program. So we rarely use these M98 and M99 code in CNC turning. So let's learn these M codes with the help of video. So first M code is M00, which is program stop. So here I have written M00 code. So let's see whether machine stops or not with M00 code. See, it's working. So M00 is for program stop. Our next code is M01, which is optional stop. So after particular operation, we have to use this M01 code. So by looking at that M01 code, machine stops if optional key is on. So see here whether machine stops or not with the help of M01 code. C. Machine stop. So it's working. So M01 stops machine after particular operation. Our next M codes are M03, M04 and M05. These codes are related to spindle rotation. So M04 is for clockwise rotation. M03 is for anti-clockwise rotation. And M05 is to stop spindle rotation. So it's working. That means our M codes are correct. Our next code is M06, tool change. So before tool change, we have to write this M06 code. So it's working. Our next code is M07, M08 and M09. These codes are related to coolant. So M07 is high pressure coolant. M08 is normal pressure coolant. And M09 is coolant off. Our next code is M19 code. As we have already seen this in our jaw removal process, so see this once again how spindle locks with M19 code. So our all M codes are working properly. So these are the M codes. You will get these M codes on your CNC machine as well. So don't take that much tension of these M codes. So here we have completed our M codes.
These are premium educational videos that are usually paid, but I'm sharing them for free on YouTube. Subscribe and support the channel.